Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing well. So this video is a bit random than usual. I was on a vacation last week and didn't really get a lot of time to draw, but I did this on my way back home when I was waiting for the train. I didn't think a lot when drawing this. I didn't even think about posting it on YouTube. Just started painting to kill the boredom, and somehow it turned out okay. So here we are. I looked for a random reference on Pinterest, as you can see on the left side, and decided to go for a watercolor brush pack that I recently found on internet. I haven't had the opportunity to use it yet, so this was the perfect time. I did not have much expectations. Just started painting and trusted the process like I always do. But this time I had to trust a bit more because of no proper planning. I really wanted to have that soft look, so I tried to use the smudge brush a lot more than usual. I really had a lot of fun painting the hair. I deliberately left some of the spaces empty instead of painting it entirely black to enhance that dreamy, watercolory feeling. You feel a lot less stress when you are drawing for yourself. Not worrying about the content that you have to post on YouTube or Instagram or Twitter or any social media can be very relieving. You don't have to worry about perfection. You don't have to worry about making a lot of mistakes. You just go with the flow. You just enjoy the painting. I mean, it's not like I don't enjoy painting the things that I properly plan, but still, there's a stress in the back of my head, which completely disappears when I just paint for the joy of painting. And that is exactly what's going on here. If you have any questions regarding this process, please let me know in the comment section. I will be looking forward. Instead of focusing on making the art look as similar as possible to the reference, I tried to get the essence from it. I know it looks somewhat similar, but if you notice the features, for example the eyes or the lips or the hair colors, I try to add my own flavor to it. It is kinda in between semi-realistic and realistic artwork, and I honestly really enjoyed that. I'm happy that it turned out to be okay, and I hope you guys are also enjoying this little speed painting that I wanted to share with you. If you are also facing this kind of pressure to put more content out there or post more perfect artworks, I'd tell you to take a deep breath and try to enjoy what you are doing. Just try to draw for yourself. If it turns out okay, then of course it can be the content you are looking for. If not, that is also okay. It's a learning process after all. So do not lose hope and just keep on drawing, keep on practicing. You are going to have fun, I promise you. I hope you enjoyed watching the process as much as I enjoyed painting it. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care.